Congratulations! After this video, you will know all 42 Jolly Phonics sounds. If you are new here, click the video above and start learning from Group 1 so you don't miss important sounds. Let's start. So today's letters are Q-U, O-U, O-I, U-E, E-R, A-R. Now it's time for some actions. For QU, pretend to put crown on your head and say For OU, pretend you got hurt and say ow, ow. For OI, pretend something is sticky and say oi, oi. As for letter UE, point finger to some other person and say you, you. ER, pretend you are starting a car engine while saying AR, pretend you are a pirate and say R. Now it's time for some blending practice. Queen. Quilt. Quack. House. Mouse. Out. Oil. Soil. Foil. Her. Fern. Car. Ark, bark, park. Subscribe now so you never miss our latest phonics videos, teaching tips and free resources.